Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to Chef Food Channel viewers. How are you? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make molten lava cake. So in this recipe, you are going to be adding caster sugar and then eggs. Two eggs are used, beaten eggs, and then we will beat it until it gets fluffy. And I will do it in some fast manner like this. It will be beat for more than 2 to 5 minutes like this. Keep beating it. It will give you a good texture and a soft lava cake as a result product. If you will not beat it very well, it will not give you a soft cake. Okay, now we are going to melt the chocolate 170 grams, and then we are melting it in boiling water. As you can see, now we are adding butter 150 grams and melt it like this. It will take a time almost 4 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes, and then it will be like this smooth paste, shiny smooth paste. Then I'm adding oil 20 grams in it and mix it well like this. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. So viewers, if you're new on Chef Food channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so not to miss any recipe video. Now I'm adding it in mixture 1, egg and caster sugar mixture like this, adding small amount of melted sugar, melted butter and chocolate, and is mixing like this. It's giving a very nice color, and then it will be like this. Now we are going to add fine flour 125 grams and small amounts and mix it with soft hand. So I hope you guys will try this recipe. If you guys try this, tell me in the comment section how was your experience and what should be my next recipe topic. And also like my video, share it with your friends. I am showing you the whole process in forward manner so that you will not miss any part, and still at the same time you are not boring at the same time. So आपने इसको थोड़ा थोड़ा अमाउंट में डालना है और मिक्स करते जाना है. ज़्यादा एक साथ डालने से क्लम्पिंग होगी, गुठलियाँ बन जाएंगी. पहले आपने कास्टर शुगर और एग को एक साथ किया, फिर आपने चॉकलेट मेल्ट की और उसके बाद उसके अंदर बटर ऐड किया और फिर इन दोनों मिक्सचर्स को मिला दिया, एंड देन फिर आपने इसके अंदर फाइन फ्लोर ऐड किया और इसको हाथ से थोड़ा थोड़ा डाल डाल के मिक्स करते रहे और ये इस तरह का फ्लफी सा मिक्सचर बन जाएगा. नाउ अब आप इसको ट्रेस के अंदर, मोल्ड के अंदर ऐड करते जाएं. 50% ऐड करेंगे आप इसके अंदर. 50% ऑफ द मटेरियल इज एडेड इन द मोल्ड ऑफ लावा केक. And then it is going to bake it at 185 to 195 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, and then the final mixture will be garnished, decorated with chocolate sauce and ice cream. It would be lovely recipe if you do try it and tell me in the comment section. I will see you in my next video. Till there, take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.